In this video, we are going to see about how to draw the order block in the live chart. In last video, I have teached about the theory about what is in the order block and how to enter the trade in the order block and how does the order block form in the market. Okay, now we can recall what is in the order block. First, order block is a single candle. The order block is a market maker placing a buy or sell order, so which is known as order block. So there is two types of order block, bullish order block and bearish order block. So and in this video, we are going to see about how to apply in the live chart. So we can go into the live chart. So how to find? First, I have teached you how to draw the sensor liquidity. Okay, we can see there is a sensor liquidity. Okay, which is known as order block. The order block is a single candle. After that candle, the market will go up. Okay, I will teach you which is an order block. First, this is known as bullish order block. Why I mark this as an order block? Why? Because of it is known as bullish OB order block. Why I mark this as a bullish order? The market makers are placing the order at a certain level. After market maker placing the buy order in here, so that the market has been expanded here. Due to the market makers place and buy order. Due to this the bearish candle, the market goes and displacement. So this is known as bullish order block, which is known as bearish order block. You can consider this is also as a bullish order block. Okay, how market makers place a buy order. You can see it is known as bullish order block. After that, the market goes up. You see, the two times is larger than this candle. You need to find it is larger than this candle. I will show a bearish order block. This is known as bearish order block. This candle is known as bearish OB. Bearish OB minus OB. And this candle is also known as bearish order block. Why? Because market makers are placing a buy order in here so that the market is going down. So it is known as bearish order block. So which order block is so strong? Then consolidation, the market is consolidation here. So which is the last candle? This candle. So it is known as the order block. Minus this is the last candle. So this is considered the order block. Bearish OP. Now I show you how to mark this bullish and bearish order block. So now we are going to see about how to apply with an buy sell liquidity